we're gonna fix the headlight problem. My uncle's here because I don't think the headlights has to do anything with it. With that fuse.
This is burned.
I think I got one of those. Damn, I got a light too inside.
Oh, that's for your radio. That's what it says there. Good. Good. Good.
Everything's good.
Okay, now the smaller fuses.
What are you? How are you checking that? Let's see that.
Touch one end and touch the other end. And all you're doing is checking continuity. There.
Now, what's the voltage you put it on? That's the one I broke.
Which one?
That one, that whole bar and the frame behind it is glued on there.
Oh, that one's good.
Wow. Ever since I kicked that thing, it was no, it fucked up. Maybe when I kicked that, the lights popped. Maybe I what do you call it?
The only one that's bad is that
Radio? I don't have no radio.
Well, the fuse is burned.
Maybe I blew the bulbs on the
See this?
lights.
You can tell it's kind of obvious the fuse is burned.
Yeah. Oh, that's what it's supposed to. That's what it looks like when it's blown.
Yeah. And you do that, it doesn't read.
Because that gives a little power. Okay.
It's checking to see if that fuse is good. That's the only one that's bad.
Now I figured out the machine. It's because I didn't know how the machine worked.
Well, see, that's this one. This is a fancy one, or kind of a fancy one. You put it on ohms, and then you hit right here.
And let's say you don't know what to put it on. How do you go and find what to put it on?
Just put it on the highest setting. See right there, it's just reading. It's not making no noise, but you put it over here in the noise, which is right there. Anytime you touch them, you make that. And then this one's AC, this is DC. DC is just straight, AC is the wavy line. Because it alternates. What AC means is alternating current.
Oh, okay.
And what that is again, it's
Air conditioning. Air condition fixer guy. Metro. Oh, we took a Metro lighter.
okay. It's AC, right? Alternating currents. This is positive, this is negative. And then a second later, this is positive, this is negative. The hertz means how fast it changes.
Oh, okay. So the bigger the hertz, the faster it changes.
The higher the hertz, the faster it changes. Like 60 means every second, it's 1 second this way, 1 second this way, 1 second this way, 1 second this way. If it's 120, every half a second, it's changing.
Oh, okay.
That's why on your TVs, on the flat screen TVs nowadays, you look for
What happens if we turn on
the
this?
higher the hertz.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I blew the bulb out, Uncle. I just thought about turning it on to see maybe now we connect the. I think I blew them out. Maybe when I kicked it, it's old school and it.
No, your high-low switch.
Oh, there's a fuse on that?
Check it.
Oh, the switch in the bottom? Yeah, it's off. They're not on.
ABS switch.
What do you call that little switch?
Here's a high-low switch.
The little
Oh, that's good. That's good. The switch is good. So what's bad is your connector. This is good.
what brand is that?
Cub.
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 Oh, it's from Chicago. That connector that connects to that switch is.
Just look in there.
It's like rotten.
It's black.
And just dirty and dusty and just old, and the original wiring from this truck from 79, 38, 9 years old. Came to Napa, guys.
Yeah. Need a pigtail for this.
Guys, they got a lot of good stuff here. Ooh. They got plates. They got all kinds of things. They got stuff to clean. I needed some oil. Look at that. They got the old school cool stuff. Make sure they have the air vents here. Oh, they got the Valvoline. I wonder what else they got over here. Ooh, they got that big fan. Look at this compressor, guys. Super nice. Look at all the connections. Everything. What happened? Didn't work?
Well, I'm looking for something else.
Wow, look at that. $2 for this. Should I get it? Nah, I don't need it. Ooh, I needed one of these. They don't got no levels. I needed a level the other day. They don't got no levels. Oh man, they got the old school torque wrench, guys. Look at this. You don't want to hit it too much, but they got the old school. I like this thing. This thing's better than the new ones. Oh, they got the bigger one right here. Oh, look at the old school brake bleeder. That thing's so cool. Bunch of good stuff. Ooh, lights. I should get one of these. These are the lights I think they used on my truck. It looks like the lights on my truck. Back of my truck. Oh, look at these big ones. I wonder if they have one of those small ones. So my truck takes these kind, guys, but like smaller. Not that big. Actually, it might look like this. Or maybe like that. That looks cool. Ooh, it's fat. Zip ties. Floor mats. Oh, you know what I needed? I need one of these to put air, guys. Not that. It was this thing. No, this is just to check the air temp. Sure. It was the gauge. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one to put air in the tires. I think I'll just get it at Harbor Freight. It's pretty expensive over here. Ooh, this is the good stuff right here. The tar. Look, there you go. paint here, guys. All good stuff. Oh man, it's really nice here. All the boats, hoses. Let's look through all the boats. Ooh, they even have these. I needed some of these for my truck, guys. Oh, these were the ones that were looking like this. My door panels are good right now, but I probably want to come over here and get them. Oil. That's cool, man. Ooh, I got all the wipers here. The hooks. Damn, guys, look at this fucking Candyman hook. The Candyman's back. Imagine hooking somebody. That's a fucking hook right there. Jeez Louise. Look at this little baby one. The baby hook, man. And we got straps, we got little hooks, we got these clamps. What are these? E-track. Ring fittings. Oh, those are nice. Alright guys, we already splicing the wire.
Where's the black tape at?
Oh, behind the seat. Forgot to give you the part number to the part. The pigtail. What is it called? Called the controller. The pigtail, right? This is the part number. SC114. Or is it the top one? 16. Okay, it's that one. The SC114.
Okay, before I put it on, where are you at? Go to the front, see the lights come on. Oh.
Yes. And high beam. Low beam, high, low.
That's it.
Hold on, do that one more time. Check it out, guys. Low, high, low, high. Perfect. That's what it was, guys. It was that old switch. Man, I thought it was that damn fuse. And that's how you fix. What do you call that piece, Uncle? The pigtail for the dimmer switch for the lights.
Not the dimmer switch, it's
No dimmer switch?
the high-low.
The high-low switch. Not the high-low switch. the high-low switch pigtail that connects to that, right? Yeah. And that's how you install it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.